Hi, this is Evelyn from EC Projects. Every week, we take an ingredient that is easily found in the grocery store or in your fridge, and we make 3 recipes out of it. So now you've learned how to make a basic cucumber lime cordial. We're going to use that to make a non-alcoholic and a spirited beverage. So we're going to start with a non-alcoholic. It's a really refreshing cucumber cooler. All you need is 2 ingredients, a cucumber cordial and then a little bit of soda with some cucumber to garnish. So we're going to do 1.5 ounces of the cucumber cordial right into the glass, and then we're going to add some ice, and because we want the cucumber cordial to get a little bit more diluted, so you just have to give it a quick little stir, and all you're going to do is top it up with soda. Now you want to make sure that these are integrated, so the first sip you take is not just soda, so all you have to do is give it another quick little stir. And there you go, that's a perfect cucumber cooler, a non-alcoholic beverage. Now that we've made a super delicious non-alcoholic cocktail with our cucumber lime cordial, we're moving on to something a little bit more spirited. We're going to make a cucumber gimlet today. Gimlets are traditionally made with gin, a little bit of citrus, and sugar. We're going to use a local Beatty's vodka distilled with potatoes, so it gives it a nice round finish. So we're going to start off with about 2 ounces of Beatty's vodka. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? Followed by 1/2 ounce of cucumber cordial and just a little bit more citrus to balance it out. I like my drinks a little bit more tart, so I'm going to do about 3/4 ounces of lime juice. And then what we're going to do is add some ice and shake vigorously for 10 to 15 seconds. And then all that's left to do is strain it into your favorite cocktail glass.